Scott from Smartkits Australia, and I'm sitting here outside my house today. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I'm going to take you guys on a journey as I build an extension to my house. And this is going to be part of a video series that we're going to be posting through our social media, helping you guys understand what we do and also highlighting the simplicity of our building systems. Now, for those of you guys that don't know, my name is Scott Challen. I own Smartkits Australia. I'm a carpenter by trade. I'm also a licensed builder. We run a very successful building company up here in Queensland, Australia. And although I'm not on the tools because we supply kits all over Australia, and that's pretty much my full-time role now, is working within the kit business, I still love getting on the tools and I love building. And I build with our products and I love it and I'm passionate about it. And you can see one of our decks and one of our insulated fibre roofs on my house here, and behind me, where you can see this concrete slab, I started putting a steel frame floor system in here, and this is going to be a double-story extension on my old house. And this old house was built in 1953. I've lived here for many years, and although the requirements to upgrade have been considerable, the pressure to upgrade has been considerable over the years, I love this area, I love this house, I love this old block, I love this old suburb, and I love building. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm choosing to improve and not move. And in this day and age, I reckon that's a pretty good motto. Don't move, improve. So I'm going to be building a double-story habitable extension on my house here using Smartkits steel frame floor system, which is available through our website or through our design consultants. And with the affordability of timber becoming much more difficult now because timber's expensive and difficult to get, steel frame floor systems are really popular. And we supply heaps of them with a 2-week lead time anywhere in Australia. So if you're doing an extension on your house, whether it be a deck or a habitable extension, steel frame floor system through Smartkits Australia is a great option. All right, I'll keep filming bits of this as we go. I've been on the tools all day, starting off building the frame that you can just see in the background there. And you guys can check out more of this as we go. Smartkits Australia.